Secure Supplies brings together companies with has over 60 years of experience in providing clients with exceptional power equipment. We stock a selective yet comprehensive range of gas turbine generators ranging from 200 kW up to 100 megawatts. Manufacturers. We choose only to stock the world's most reputable manufacturers. This allows us to ensure our clients get the power they need. We independently review each manufacturer we work with on numerous variables to ensure we only supply the highest quality products on the market. Our clients know that when they work with Secure Supplies, they will be getting quality products, supplied by experienced and engineer-driven experts. Fully assembled. If you go through the manufacturing process, assembly time can range from months to years. Presuming everything goes to plan. Secure Supplies Energy understands that time is money. Our equipment is ready to ship and start up at your command. When you work with Secure Supplies, the complex and lengthy manufacturing process is all done for you. All gas turbines we supply are provided to our clients ready to start up from the moment following installation.